To know what is freedom, deal with the restrictions. Yeah. You want to know what is relaxation, contemplate a little bit about what is tension. It's the constellation of both. Yeah. And this is why this word balance is always so important, and why now for us the physical aspect, dealing with the body, strengthening the body, playing with the fire, why it is our balancing part for the times when you just sit and do nothing. When you are sitting, when you are peaceful, when you're opening. That's why in the word, for example, warrior monk, you have both. You have the warrior, and then you have the monk. In the core, maybe there is the warrior, but the way how he behaves, it's the monk. On average daily life, he's peaceful. But only because he decides to be peaceful. But he is still able to tap into the other area.